Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are going to do a flip cup on a 12 by 16 canvas. And I've got purples, yellow, and some grays here. Everything is Liquitex except for the white. That's Amsterdam Titanium white. But starting on my left, which would be your right, we've got neutral gray that I've added a small amount of cerulean blue to, dioxazine purple, titanium white, deep violet, Naples yellow hue, and Payne's gray. I am going to layer them, starting with the neutral gray, going across, and I'm going to do 2 layers. So I will get that done and I'll bring you back. And there we go, all filled up. So I'm hoping that the yellow and the Payne's gray play nice together. Get these flipped over. Give that a second. So I have mixed these 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. Give or take a little bit for the 1 part paint. Most of them I had to add a little bit more paint just to get to the right consistency, thickness that I wanted. The Amsterdam is a bit thinner than the Liquitex, so even more paint than pouring medium. Just an FYI for you. And then my pouring medium is 60% Elmer's glue wool, it's a PVA glue, and 40% water. So I'm gonna give this a few seconds to get everything to fall down, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, so let's do our flip and drag. Get my edges. Wasn't the best pull on my part. All that's going to get tilted off. Okay. Again, this extra that I'm putting on is all going to get tilted off. It's just to wet the canvas. There is a big bubble right there. Did something weird. Very purple. Trying to stink this painting in before dinner. We're gonna have barbecue. Yum. Okay, this looks like a huge mess, but I'm hoping we'll get something really pretty out of it. So obviously I'm gonna tilt that way. Got some nice cells that have been popping up. Let's go over that corner. Come back. There is something in there. Well, let me do the other corner and then I'll get that something out. If I can still see it. Yeah, I can see it. A couple somethings. Jeez, what is that? Big piece of dried paint or something. Okay, let's flip this over. I'm gonna torch it. Let's wipe my hands off. cells are slowly but surely coming up. Trying not to get too close. I think I found another piece of whatever that was in the paint. Nope, that was just a bubble. Got a couple bubbles here that I can see, so I'm gonna quickly pop them. Don't mind me. You know, when you're torching and you can see them and it's just like, I gotta get that. That's kind of what was going on. I'm gonna torch again. I think my canister is on its last legs. Because there's barely any flame coming out. So I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna get a new one and then I'll bring you back. Okay, got a new one ready. Okay, let's give this a second to do its thing. The really tiny cells. I'm gonna wipe my hands a bit better and I'll straighten you out a bit. Making a huge mess. I got a little close again. That's okay, I like cells. Okay, just making sure that there's nowhere else that I'm gonna want some more. I think we're good. So let's finish tilting this paint off and see what we get in the end. Sticking to my puppy pea pad. Just trying to walk the paint down. That corner, bring the paint back, and we'll go off the other corner. Just re-straightening the paint. So there. What do we think? I got a little bit of a weirdish color with the yellow next to the Payne's gray. I had a feeling that would happen. So if I do these colors again, I won't put the yellow next to the Payne's gray. I'll put probably the other purple there instead, the dioxazine purple. But really liking the gray cells that have popped up above the purple. I think that's really nice. But I'm gonna zoom you in so you can get a better view. I keep forgetting to do it, so I will remember, or I have remembered this time. Give me 1 second. So there, better view for you. So what do you think? Do you like it? I like all the colors together. I think it's has that, the softness of the gray. It's still bright. I think next time I do this with these colors, because I think I'm going to try it again, I might switch the Naples yellow to gold, because they're almost the same color. Just one has the metallic in it. And I do like the way the gold does dry. So yeah, I'll move the Payne's gray and switch the Naples yellow to gold. But I think I'm going to try these colors again because I'm really liking what's going on here. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. Until next time.